Hello everyone!
Let us introduce ourselves first.
My name is Kezia.
And my name is Bimo Afriyadi.
We are from 11H and now we're gonna present our report text about the black orchid of Kalimantan.
The black orchid is one of the rare and beautiful flowers found in Indonesia.
And now we will explain about the general information and the characteristic of the black orchid. Enjoy our video! The Kalimantan black orchid is an exotic flower that grows in Indonesia, especially in the tropical rainforest on the island of Kalimantan. The Kalimantan black orchid is not truly black. The name comes from the labellum of the flower, which is deep black with bright green stripes, making the flower appear very exotic. This plant usually grows in humid mountainous areas with cool temperatures. The Kalimantan black orchid has the scientific name, Silogium pandurata Lindley, because this species was first introduced by Professor John Lindley, a botanist from England who received a specimen sent from Kalimantan. Although it's considered a wild plant, the black orchid is classified as a rare plant.
Belonging to the Orchidaceae family, the distinctive feature of the black orchid is the contrast in its colors, which creates an optical illusion that makes the flower appear very striking. This endemic orchid species from Kalimantan has a unique labellum that is black with wavy edges, while the petals are pointed and bright green. The stem of the black orchid is round and flat with a length of about 10 to 15 cm. The black orchid belongs to the Symphodia type of orchid with a swollen bulb at the bottom and leaf extending above it. Each bulb only has 2 leaves. They are oval with a length of about 7 cm and a width of about 2 to 3 cm. The flowers grow in a cluster-like inflorescence with a length of 15 to 20 cm and has 14 flowers on each stalk. The black orchid grows in clumps and its place is connected by a rhizome. Therefore, this orchid is classified as an epiphytic orchid, meaning it grows attached to trees or other stems as a host. It uses aerial roots to absorb moisture and nutrients from the air and rainwater.
The growth of the black orchid requires quite specific conditions. This plant usually grows wild in peat media and is difficult to cultivate at home. This is because it requires sufficient light but shouldn't be exposed to direct sunlight. If the plant is exposed to excessive sunlight, the black orchid can easily wilt and die. Therefore, the black orchid usually grows in mountainous areas at an altitude of about 1,000 to 1,500 meters above sea level. Cool temperatures with high humidity are also important for its growth. To grow well, this plant requires relative humidity of about 60% to 85%. This flower can also grow well in a greenhouse as long as the room temperature is suitable. If the black orchid is cultivated properly, the flower will produce a distinctive fragrant aroma. Another advantage is that this orchid blooms quite frequently. It can bloom about 4 to 5 times in a month, with each bloom lasting around 7 days. Silogium pandurata Lindley usually blooms between March and June every year.
This is beauty and distinctive aroma. The Kalimantan black orchid has many benefits. One of the benefits of the black orchid is a traditional medicine. It can help treat illness such as cough, sore throat, and diarrhea. These benefits come from the presence of alkaloid, saponins, and flavonoids in the plant. Alkaloids have a bronchodilator effect that help open the airway and relieve coughing. Saponins help remove mucus and phlegm, while flavonoids have anti-inflammatory effect that reduce inflammation. That black orchid can also be used as a ingredient in cosmetics. Its extract is often mixed into anti-aging cream and moisturizer because it contains antioxidants that help fight free radical and protect the skin from damage caused by sunlight and pollution.
Unfortunately, the existence of the black orchid in Kalimantan has been decreasing from year to year. In its natural habitat in Gresik Luai, the condition of the black orchid population is becoming increasingly concerning. The area of its habitat has shrunk from 5,000 hectares to only 500 hectares in 2003. The rarity of Coelogyne pandraza lindle is influenced by several factors, including its limited habitat. This orchid grows epiphytically attaching to large trees in primary and secondary forests, especially in peat swamps areas. The loss of forest due to deforestation and land conversion in Kalimantan poses a serious threat to its survival. Another factor is that the natural reproduction of this orchid is difficult and highly dependent on specific environmental conditions. In addition, the Kalimantan black orchid is often hunted by tourists and local residents because of its attractive beauty and high economic value. The black orchid is classified as a rare plant and is protected from trade. This protection is listed in the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species under Appendix 1 and 2.
Conservation efforts from the Kalimantan black orchid are very important to increase its population. Coelogyne pandraza lindle can be propagated both vegetatively and generatively. Vegetative propagation can be done by sparting of offshoot. The black orchid is cultivated in a medium of sawdust, then give function and fertilizer according to the plant's age. Meanwhile, generative propagation can only be carried out in laboratory. Currently, the government and various conservation institutions are working together to protect its habitat and conduct in vitro cultivation programs. Tissue cultures in intro cultivation produce high quality new seedlings using suitable artificial media. This cultivation use substances that regulate the growth of the black orchid. The substance used includes ambon banana extract and benzyl ammonia purine. The substance function to increase cell division, shoot proliferation, and shoot morphogenesis, which are expected to produce better black orchid shoot.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment your opinions.
Okay, see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Was there